Galamsey no na asem kuro no. Nananom ene moa mu nyina mo ka ho. Mo ne mo nananom no.
Abuza from mo nyina makwaba e de Ghana nsUlt TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Galamsey no na asem kuro no. Nananom ene moa mu nyina mo ka ho. Mo ne mo nananom no. Mo na mo ma ehho kwan ema Galamsey. Insuo ya asem kuro yi Galamsey. Ene tia chema wuntumi gina court ende nipa bi se chema wuntumi nye bone. Na adwo so di Galamsey 8 years. Last me ka kire mo ha. Insuo bi a eda kwayem a sebio oba block insuo no. Insuo ta ebe pe kwan bi akọ. It was a munche dan hu bibi say da samra boy. Intimu butan say hey ade na afei na eto ye. It is because tema chema wuntumi mu etisi samra boy. Mo kwayem ana omudi gala mo ahemfo no etena ho. Ejeje ka ebijiji sika beji eye de gold no ne e ka kire mo and the MPP na mo dwen say ye di mo atem
obi ba bonti abeka se Kevin Taylor ni problem no tani papa no boa Kevin Taylor of the biggest problem e wo Ghana wo wugina ho nsuo na esen kofo nioma e wa Asante region no nsuo na ato na ewurawurawura nkofo dem e wa Asante region no wo see because of Galamsey na wo mo ye no Asante region ti na nsuo no ese ya Asante kuro no nsuo na eto na ese nkofo nioma wa Asante region as Kevin Taylor wo be ye video wa ka cha Prez.Mahama say onfo solution bra bonten na ntimi mboa Asantefo na nsuo ni se wo mo dan no ene wo mo nioma no wo wugina ho ababonten be ka say nsuo na ese nkofo nioma na Galamsey na wo mo ye no Asante region no eni nti na ese sa ni ese wo mu kuro no. Now what about Greater Accra? Na sa Accra ha nsuo to kura mani yiri eche ya Asante region nti Accra ha ye Galamsey wa ha mi bisaw ahemfa pa ne ye Galamsey wo Greater Accra nsuo to a esen nkofo nioma kura chen Asante region ono so yen ka ne say what see because of Galamsey nti wo Kevin Taylor what see because of Galamsey and nti na ase ya Asante region kuro no because of wo mo ye Galamsey ni wo ho and nti nsuo to a na ese ya Asantefo kuro. What about Greater Accra? Nsuo to Greater Accra ese nkofo nioma kura chen ya Asante region ono so yen ka ne say and also the Greater Accra ne ye Galamsey wa nkran wa hu Galamsey wuntumi tu Galamsey e wa Accra anenye sa meti wo gina ho say ahemfofo no ene ayutiama wuntumi ne wo mutu Galamsey and so Prez.Mahama kura ba bonti abeka say NDC fo ne ka ho bi ne wo mutu Galamsey no yenti Prez.Mahama.
The final one is illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society, and I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved the circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved.
Okay. The president of Ghana, Timi Ababontin. Aba be chere nkofo wo mu ye galamse. Esa so ka say our own people, esa so ka say NDC for ka ho na wo mu ye galamse ya. Ade na chere say wontimi ehu nkofo wo mu ye galamse ya. Ade na chere say sa person wo wontimi stop no. As a president of Ghana wo Atimi Ababontin aba chere wona wo mu ye galamse. Adentina won't put you stop for those people one more galamse. Adentina won't can't tell no moon jai. Or see NDC for can one more galamse no. Because MPP feel so na NDC ba na one more change shift no set away one more benya percentage. Tina that means no only 100% say this is the kind of people so one more galamse. Iti as a president who nim say nkofo we na wo mu ye galamse and galamse ni so betimi generate to be before fro na galamse na wo mu ye ni betimi asai o man Ghana na betimi asai kuro no na wonim nkofo na wo mu ye galamse ya adentire sa nkofo na wonim wo mu no uma wo mu njai sa galamse ni ye dentia anya wo Kevin na wo ba abontin beka say Prez.Mahama ye powerful than Otunfo. On kasani enja galamse ne. On kasani enja galamse no. Insuo na to na ese nkofo okuro na. Asese wo ma president ne te ase ese. For solutions bra. Na fa ba bua wukuro no. Wo bremi obi owo opposition. O president ne te so na nso na eto na esenkofo okuro na asese wo kwese o president no wo di brem koma obi oti opposition obi owo opposition wo di brem koma obi owo opposition who the blame come MPP no more opposition no who ko blame wo mo say inso na etolo because of galamse ne wo mo ye ni nti no eni nti na inso ni say ekuro no NDC
ozo na da no si mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufu Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni na meya ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders ke bi aka the new patriotic party the leaders of the party ke bi aka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause the independence. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say yeah, hospitals and they go and no say. It is a Kenyan you say na no man in Abeya. Ese kesika no kwa kan ye de wasa botumi wo say oh I say wo say people ya akonfo ne mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice disika to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi de mo keke mo kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians ni nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho market women no nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 jua they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete nanze bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bi invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems you know mo so open ko nkete is enya mo de you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo sia akire me se bi me na me ko ka kire Agyeta Dramani Mahama se o mema us come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Agyeta Dramani Mahama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order. And onya juma order amanam one
for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes. Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dipaneboa.
O sister asem na. Listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda na nam one. Yes. Na che say, was no kura dwiri ni say state institution na we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina ni say.
Economy no kwa na eboa ye.
Problem ni nyina ni say. Papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good to me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as maintain mo ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fake esi dia bra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take your statement ama o grant o mo bi o mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because yoko we a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual, and this is a civil matter already. No, what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court, and as high court really say the oya unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defend na afi the was by I say any mokura mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin ma be me and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my